Hello everyone, this is Priyanka from Xerix.com, and today we are going to showcase you one of the most luxurious properties in Gurgaon. Tata Primanti is located in Sector 72, Gurgaon, on the SPR near NH8. The whole project is spread around on 36 acres. However, today we will showcase you the clubhouse, which is around 25,000 square feet plus. Now this is the hall where the reception is. We have the sitting area over here, and we also have the reception on the other side. We have many spa rooms. This is one of them. Let's go outside and we will showcase you the swimming pool, which is next to the spa room. The swimming area is quite large. However, right now the pool is empty because of the COVID reasons and for security purposes as well. But once the situation is better, this will come back to working. Close to the swimming area, we also have washrooms for men and women both. The washrooms also have locker rooms, and you can also take shower once you are out of the swimming pool. Once you come straight from the swimming pool, we also have the lift in the front, and then we will go to the indoor play area where we have indoor games. We have two of them here, table tennis and the pool table as well. The sitting area also, it's big enough for a lot of people to just have fun and enjoy their playtime. Now this is one of the cafes on the ground floor, and then on the right hand side we also have the outdoor pool. Here you can have your coffees, your morning breakfast, lunch as well, or you can just come here and chill with your friends. Let me take you upstairs on the first floor. Now this is the first floor. We start with the yoga room here on the right side of the lift. Big enough. We do have the sitting area. You can keep your yoga mats over here on this table and enjoy the yoga. Now the gym starts from here. We have all the latest equipment for all the gym freaks. We have cycling, we have dumbbells. It's big enough for a lot of people. We have almost all the machines. On the first floor, we also have a sun deck. However, we cannot showcase it to you because it is right now occupied with people and there's a ceremony going on. Apologies for that. The first floor has a yoga room, we have gym, and we have sun deck as well. Now we will move to the basement where we have the car parking and the squash area. Let me showcase you that as well. Welcome to the basement. We will start with the squash area on the left hand side. So we have two squash courts. Once you move out of the squash area, we can go on the right hand side as well, and you will see the car parking area. The best thing on the basement is the multimedia room. Around 20 to 30 people can easily occupy this area and have a blast, watch movies with popcorn, just choose a movie and enjoy. We also have one more indoor game, which is badminton court, and you can play doubles, you can play singles. It's big enough for both. Now I'll show you the basketball court and the tennis court, which is outside. We have the tennis court outside the clubhouse. People can play in teams. There are two basketball courts in the property. This one is for juniors. The other one is right now into renovation, which is a full court. Welcome to the executive apartment. Now these apartments, the best part about these apartments is that they have their own separate lift. So on one floor there is only one apartment. Now once you enter the living room, we have the attached balcony. There's a lot of space and there's a lot of natural lighting. Now the balcony overlooks the clubhouse as well as the green area over there. It's a long balcony, so people can, place their chairs here, sit and just enjoy the view. Now I will showcase you the rooms as well. Here we have our first bedroom. Also, all the bedrooms have their own balcony, so that's also one of the good part about this apartment. This is one of the balcony. There are also attached washrooms in every room. All the rooms also have air conditioning. Now here's another room. Again, a separate balcony. All the rooms have wooden flooring and all the rooms have fitted ACs, and also the height of the ceiling is quite well. Now this one is a bathroom that anybody can use. It's a separate bathroom. It does not connect with any room. Here we have another room. Again, this one has its own balcony and a washroom area. We have a connecting balcony to this room and another room that I showcased you before this one. On this side, we have the master bedroom. So once you enter the master bedroom, we have the washroom first, which has a bathtub, toilet area, and then there is also shower area on the other side and the vanity as well. Now this is the master bedroom. Again, have the air condition, connecting balcony. From here you can also see the basketball court over that side and also the green area. Now we have 4 bedrooms on one side of the apartment. On the other side we have the kitchen and the servant quarter as well. Now this is the kitchen area. We have attached chimneys, we have the cob, and we have the storage space as well. The servant quarter starts from here. It connects to the kitchen, so the servants will not enter your private area. We have the VRV here, and this space is also that you can use for your washing machine or other storage. We have the lift. This is the service lift that you can use for your storage material. We have the emergency exit staircase over there, and then we have the servant quarter. The servants have their own washroom, so they will not use the all washroom. I hope you enjoyed the amazing tour of this executive apartment. For more information, you can contact us below on the mentioned number. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe at Zurich.com. Thank you.